comfortably. Adopt Chin Mudra. Keep your back, neck and spine in one straight line. Adjust your position. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. If you want to make any adjustment, please do it. Close your eyes and mouth gently. Relax and calm down your mind. Witness your breath. Unite your body, mind and soul. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. Be aware of your surrounding. Be aware of the objects around you. Be aware of the walls around you. Be aware of the color of the walls around you. Be aware of the air circulating around you. Be aware of your skin. Feel your skin. Feel your clothes. Feel your complete body. Be aware of your color in your clothes. Be aware of your whole body, which is rooted on the floor, which is balanced and stillness. Feel the synchronized and balanced body, which is rooted on the floor. And now try to visualize yourself in a full-length mirror from the front, from the back, from the right side, from the left side, from the top, from all sides at one time. Just visualize yourself in a meditative posture, in a full-length mirror. Your torso is the trunk. Your arms and head are the branches. Your legs are the roots. Your body is growing like a tree, which is rooted on the floor, which is in stillness and steadiness. Be aware of your whole body, which is in stillness and steadiness. Slowly direct your awareness to your physical sensations like cold, itching, uneasiness, stiffness. If your mind is wandering, direct your awareness to those sensations. Just feel and the sensations in your body. Be aware of your whole body, which is in stillness and steadiness. Slowly move your awareness to your breath. Internalize your awareness to your breath. Be aware of your slow and deep breathing. And try to count your 5 breaths mentally with the mantra So, Hum. So is inhale, Hum is exhale. As you inhale, chant the mantra So. As you exhale, chant the mantra Hum. Feel the systematic, rhythmic breathing of your journey. And feel the subtle movement of your breath, which is slow and deep. Once you are aware of your breath, feel it, enjoy it, merge yourself into your breath. And it is one-pointed steadiness and stillness of your body and breath. Slowly leave your awareness from your breath to the body. Be aware of your eyebrow center, Ajna Chakra. Move your awareness to your Vishuddhi Chakra, throat center. Be aware of your Anahat Chakra, heart center. Be aware of your Manipura Chakra, navel center. Be aware of your Swadhisthana Chakra, pubic bone and tailbone. Be aware of your Muladhara Chakra, your perineum, cervix. Be aware of your Sahasrara Chakra, that is crown of your head. Just feel there is a connection between all the chakras from your Muladhara Chakra to your Sahasrara Chakra. Those are the Kshetram. The chakras passes through your spine till to the crown of your head. Feel your chakras. Just try to imagine you are activating those chakras consciously, relaxingly. By visualizing those chakras, we'll chant Om 3 times. Breathe in. Om. Slowly and gently take your both the hands back. Bend forward and offer them into Mother Earth. Slowly come up. Rub your palm. Put it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Thank you. Welcome all. Sit comfortably. Bhastrika, Pranayama. Active exhalation, active inhalation. Both are active. Okay. Try to adopt Chin Mudra. Keep it on your knees. Back 100% straight. Inhale, exhale 60 rounds. Then Antar Kumbhak, Jalandhar Bandh and Mool Bandh. So you can't hold your Udhyan Bandh, that is contracting your abdomen while you are holding your breath inside. That is Antar Kumbhak. Internal retention is Antar Kumbhak. External retention is Bahir Kumbhak. So Jalandhar Bandh is lock your chin and Mool Bandh is lock your genitals. Okay. Beginners, don't try locking. Just sit and hold your breath. Internal retention. Okay. Start the practice. 60 rounds of Bhastrika. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Point of concentration is on your abdominal muscles. This will take care of your Vata, Pitta, Kapha management. Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Dosha. This will, Bhastrika, Pranayama will take care of Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Dosha. It is 100% heating pranayama. Those who are in summer, don't practice Bhastrika. One more round, another set, 60 count, then internal retention, that is Antarkumbhak and Udyan Bandh, sorry, Jalandhar Bandh and Mool Bandh. Start. Beginners, don't do bandhas, just hold your breath. And high BP people, don't hold your breath. Gently rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. Gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Slowly sit with outstretched legs. We will start the practice with Pavanamuktasana 1, which is good for your small joints, rheumatism, arthritis, knee pain. All these small joints we normally ignore, but we use more of these joints. Usually we don't work it out for these joints. So when we make these small joints strong, automatically you can improve your whole body structure and you can get more strength also. Okay, first let's start with toe stretching. Breathe in, breathe out, which is required for this season because of Vata dosha. Many people will have problem. Don't talk. Many people will have Vata dosha. That is because of the gas. They will get knee pain, toes pain because of the season. Now it is winter. Sorry, rainy season, right? Here in Bangalore, so we will have problem with our joints. So we will make those joints little move forward and backward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Pavanamuktasana 1 is good for Vata dosha. Breathe in, breathe out. Just do it with awareness. Observe those toes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Only toes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now ankle stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in and breathe out. It looks very simple but very effective. Okay. Slowly rotate clockwise. Breathe in, back, breathe out, rotate. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Do it with awareness. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel those joints. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Reverse, breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Slowly fold your right leg, interlock your fingers under your right leg. Now we will work it out for knee joints. Okay. Observe your big toe, breathe in, breathe out. Keep your left leg firmly on the ground. Your left toes facing towards you. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Synchronize your breathing with the movement. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Slowly fold it. Rest your right foot on your left palm and hold your right knee with your cup of your right palm and stretch your index finger so that you get a perfect circle. Rotate now. This is for your hip joint. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in up, breathe out, rotate. Breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Release your right leg, fold your left leg, interlock your fingers under your left thigh. So those whenever you are not able to do any particular asana or Surya Namaskara, you can stick to this PM1 practice. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Slowly fold it. Keep your left foot on your cup of your right palm. Hold your left knee with your left hand. Stretch your index finger. Rotate clockwise. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Rotate. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in anti-clockwise. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly release, fold it, Titliasana, fold both the legs, hold your knees, press it sideways. First we will do the slow round. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Now dynamic one, faster. Hold your toes or knees, press it down. Either way is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana or you can stand. We will move on to our upper body workout. Okay, again stretch your both the hands forward. If those who can't sit in Vajrasana, sit in Sukhasana or you can stand and practice. Stretch both these hands forward, stretch your fingers, breathe in. When you are making a fist, touch your thumb to your base of your small finger and make a fist. That will take care of your anything related to your lungs problem. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Make a fist. Now we'll move on to the wrist rotation to the same direction. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. See, many times you get pain here. That is because of lack of strength. So all these joints are not strengthened because we don't work it out for these small joints, right? That is why you get pain when we start doing all this moving around. So when we do all this, it will strengthen these joints. Now reverse it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. If you practice this regularly, you can make out the difference in your body. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do it effectively. Breathe in, do it with awareness. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Just feel the each joint wherever you are feeling it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Fold it and rotate your shoulders now. Breathe in up, open your chest, join your shoulder blades, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, feel the movement of your shoulders. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Now reverse it. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Up and down. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax. We move on to our neck now. Rotate clockwise. If you have neck issue, don't rotate. Just do right side twisting and bending, upward and downward, sideways. Otherwise, you rotate clockwise. Breathe in back, breathe out, rotate. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Do it with slow and awareness. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do it gently, rotate gently. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Eyes rotation. Open your eyes wide and rotate clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out. So just normal breathing. So synchronize your breathing. Clockwise 5, anti-clockwise 5, right and left, up and down. 5, 5. Total 20. Once you're done, blink your eyes faster. Now stop blinking. Now stretch your right thumb forward. Make a fist and just keep gazing at your thumb. Just observe however long you can gaze at your thumb. Don't blink your eyes, but do not strain yourself. If you want to blink in between, you can blink. If your eyes are strained, then close, again open and gaze at thumb. Again, slowly bring your thumb closer to your nose tip. Just observe. Again, take it far away from your nose tip. Bring it closer to your nose tip. Take it far. Closer. Far. Closer. Far. Closer. Far. And then relax and close your eyes. Rub your palm. Rub it gently. Feel the heat in your palm. Make a cup of your palm and cover your eyes nicely. Rub it again. Don't open your eyes. Rub it nicely. Again, keep it on your eyes. Don't press too hard. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Make a cup of your palm and cover your eyes nicely. And gently open your eyes inside your palm and blink your eyes. Close your eyes. Rub your palm on your eyes, face, ears, neck. And gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. Slowly come to standing posture. We'll move on to our next practice, Surya Namaskara. Those who don't want to do Surya Namaskara, again you can continue with PM1. Okay, whatever the practice we have done, you can increase it for 10 count each. You did very less because of the time. So you can continue with PM1 practice. Those who don't want to or those who can't do Surya Namaskara. Join your legs, join your palm, close your eyes, your thumb in between your chest, back, neck and spine in one straight line. Relax and calm down your mind. Visualize a beautiful Surya in front of you. Feel the positive energy is entering your whole body by removing all the negative energy from your body, mind. By observing the beautiful Surya, we'll start with the Prarthana. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyashapi Vitam Mukham Tattvam Poshanna Pavrano Satya Dharmaya Dushtaye Om Ham Mitraya Namaha. Open your eyes. Namaskarasana. Padahastasana. Right leg back. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Shashankasana. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, Shashankasana, Ekapadasana, Padahastasana, नमस्कारासनं। ॐ ह्रीं रवये नमः। नमस्कारासनं। पादहस्तासनं, एकपादासनं, द्विपादासनं, शशंकासनं, अष्टांग नमस्कारासनं, भुजंगासनं, पर्वतासनं, शशंकासनं, एकपादासनं, पादहस्तासनं, नमस्कारासनं। ॐ ह्रौं सूर्याय नमः। नमस्कारासन, इनहेल, पादहस्तासन, एक्सेल, एकपादासन, इनहेल, द्विपादासन, एक्सेल, शशंकासन, इनहेल and exhale, अष्टांग नमस्कारासन, एक्सेल, भुजंगासन, इनहेल, पर्वतासन, एक्सेल, शशंकासन, इनहेल and exhale, एकपादासन, इनहेल, पादहस्तासन, एक्सेल, नमस्कारासन, इनहेल and exhale. ॐ ह्रीं भानवे नमः। नमस्कारासन, इनहेल, पादहस्तासन, एक्सेल, लेफ्ट लेग एकपादासन, इनहेल, द्विपादासन, एक्सेल, शशंकासन, इनहेल and exhale, अष्टांग नमस्कारासन, एक्सेल, भुजंगासन, इनहेल, पर्वतासन, एक्सेल, शशंकासन, इनहेल and exhale, लेफ्ट लेग एकपादासन, इनहेल, पादहस्तासन, एक्सेल, नमस्कारासन, इनहेल and exhale. ॐ ह्रौं खगाय नमः। एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश। ॐ राहपूष्णे नमः। एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। नमस्कारासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, अष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, पर्वतासन, शशंकासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन। ॐ मरीचये नमः। नमस्कारासन, पादहस्तासन, एकपादासन, द्विपादासन, शशंकासन, अष्टांग नमस्कारासन, भुजंगासन, पर्वतासन, शशंकासन, एकपादासन, पादहस्तासन, नमस्कारासन। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। एकं, द्वे, त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश ॐ सवित्रे नमः एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश ॐ अर्काय नमः नमस्कारासन पादहस्तासन एकपादासन द्विपादासन शशंकासन अष्टांग नमस्कारासन भुजंगासन पर्वतासन शशंकासन एकपादासन पादहस्तासन नमस्कारासन ओम भास्कराय नमः नमस्कारासन पादहस्तासन एकपादासन द्विपादासन शशंकासन अष्टांग नमस्कारासन भुजंगासन पर्वतासन शशंकासन एकपादासन पादहस्तासन नमस्कारासन ओम श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः नमस्कारासन पादहस्तासन एकपादासन द्विपादासन शशंकासन अष्टांग नमस्कारासन भुजंगासन पर्वतासन शशंकासन एकपादासन पादहस्तासन नमस्कारासन relax relax it Sthiti Tadasana or do Mukha if you are too tired. Drink some water if you want. Do abdominal breathing. Rub your palm. Keep down your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck, and gently open your eyes and observe your palm. Relax. We'll move on to our next practice. Bandha Hasta Uttanasana. Good for your shoulders, neck muscles, cervical spondylitis, and for your wrist. Okay. Slowly cross your wrist and slowly rise it up. When it comes to your eye level, then slowly rise your head. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out and hold. Open your chest, open your fingers, stretch your fingers and observe the ceiling. 1, 2, normal breathing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Breathe in up, cross your wrist, slowly breathe out, bring it down. Slowly separate your legs. Take 1 foot distance between your feet. Take your both the hands back. Interlock your fingers. Open your chest. Join your shoulder blades. Dvikonasana. Again, this is good for your back pain. And those who sit for a longer time on the chair, this is the practice. Stretch both the hands back. Join your shoulder blades. Inhale and then exhale. Hold. Bend 90 degree. Hold with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax. Now we will do 2 from Pavanamuktasana 3, which is good for kapha management, which is required for this season, right? So squat, you have to sit in squat. Those who can't sit in complete squat, sit in half squat. Okay? Slowly rise your both the hands up. Join your palm, Namaskarasana. Sit completely on the squat, those who can. Otherwise, sit halfway. Those who can't sit in complete, just sit this much. Or do cat pose. Those who can't sit in squat, practice cat pose and look up. So same benefit, you will get it. So come to squatting. Join your palm. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, this is Namaskarasana. You know how to do cat pose. Just follow the instruction. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, open your chest and slide, make an arch in your back. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. For sciatica pain, constipation, breathe in and hold, be there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Now tuck your both the hands under your feet. Those who are in cat pose, continue with the variation 2. That is stretch, fold it, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Slowly tuck your both the hands under your feet. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Those who are in tiger pose, do 5 right, 5 left. Breathe out. Count yourself. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, hold for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Hold your breath and hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly relax. These 2 are from Pavanamuktasana 3, which is good for kapha management. Last standing asana. Fold your right leg. Vrikshasana. Stand firmly. Gaze at any one point. If you want, please take wall support. Okay? Don't mind taking wall support. Rise both the hands up. Join your palm above your head or in front of your chest or at the back. Whichever is convenient. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and an exhale. Opposite leg. See, all these standing asanas are very, very important. So you need to learn to stand. So if you don't know to stand on your legs, then how can you do headstand, right? Yes, raise both the hands up. Inhale, stand firmly, exhale and hold. 1, 2, normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, good for your restless mind and stress. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Inhale and then exhale. Relax. Slowly come to sitting posture. Separate your legs. Both the toes pointing towards you. Rise both the hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly catch hold of your right thigh with your left hand and take your left hand sideways and hold. And observe the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretching on your waistline. 5. Good for your pelvic floor as well. 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can't reach your toes, just bend laterally like this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly hold your left thigh with your right hand and right toe with your left hand. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly bring your both the feet together. Hug your legs. Interlock your fingers or cross your forearms and hold your elbows and lift your feet up off the ground and hold. Squeeze your abdomen but don't hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Now rock yourself 20 count and roll yourself another 20 count. Total 40. Those who have back pain, avoid rocking. Only continue with rolling 40 count. Start. Count yourself. I will not count for you. Don't cheat. Okay, no cheating. Do it effectively. This is all good for your. This belongs to Pavanamuktasana Kriya. It's a technique to release the gas from your body. That is wind. Pavana is wind. Mukta is to get rid. Kriya is a technique. So those who are having gastric problem, better do this. And those who are looking for to release your tummy and to give a massage to your back, do it. Those who can't do rocking with folded leg, just straight your legs and do simple. Okay, this much. This is also effective. To start off, to begin with the practice, you can start off like this. Those who are advanced practitioners, hug your legs. Stand on your feet. Lift your buttocks. Once you're done, rolling. Again. Twist your neck. From down, you have to twist and observe opposite side. Breathe, breathe. Don't hold your breath. Relax for a moment. If you're done with your practice, relax for a moment and observe your abdominal muscles. Just feel it. Feel your abdominal muscles and spine. Next practice, Sarvangasana. That is our sadhana of this week. From the beginning. So we will move on to our sadhana. Those who can't do Sarvangasana, you know what to do. Setubandhasana. Breathe in. Okay. Advanced practitioners, tuck your t-shirt inside. Rise your legs, roll your buttocks towards the ceiling and hold. Both I will show and then you can hold it. However long you want, no strain, don't strain yourself. This is Setubandhasana, Sarvangasana. Your time starts now. Hold. Last week you are at 2 minutes 42 seconds. This week, let me see. Close your eyes. Don't tense your muscles. If you can't hold for so long, you can relax in between. You don't have to strain yourself. In between, relax and then go for the practice. Don't tense your muscles. Don't strain your muscle strength and calm your mind. First thing, calm your mind. Don't stress too much. If you calm your mind, automatically you can hold for however long you want. If you are holding with tension, then it's of no use and you will not get any benefits. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊಂಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊಂಟ ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಭಾಗನ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. Don't tense your muscles. Close your eyes and try to observe your breath. Concentrate on your breathing. Again, so you should know from navel to throat, throat to navel. Don't think of anything. Just close your eyes and you're almost done. Don't give up. Advanced practitioners, beginners, please relax. Relax for a moment in Shavasana until we move on to the next practice, until other practitioners finish their practice. Wait for them. Or you can just continue with your single leg rising. That is Pavanamuktasana 2. Single leg rising, single leg rotation, and single leg cycling. You can continue with that if you don't want to relax in Shavasana. Relax. Slowly fold your legs. Fantastic. Good job. You are at 2 minutes 46 seconds. It is a good improvement. To pat yourself, right? Good improvement. Yes. Now go for the complementary Matsyasana. Straight your legs. Chest up. Those who can. Advanced practitioners. Put Padmasana. Chest up. Roll your head inside. Open your chest nicely. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put Ardha Padmasana. Straight your legs. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly release your posture. Go for Naukasana. Keep your both the hands by the side. Lift your upper body and legs to 30° only. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Inhale and then exhale. Slowly relaxing Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Close your eyes. Relax and surrender your body to the ground. Those who are not comfortable in Shavasana, lie down on your stomach in Makarasana. Whichever is convenient, try to relax completely. You don't have to train your body and make necessary adjustments. If you want to keep a pillow, you can keep a pillow under your head or your legs. If you have back pain, you can fold your legs and relax. Your fingers naturally curled. Hands are a couple of inches away from your body. Relax and surrender your body completely to the ground. Witness your breath, which is slow and deep. Shavasana is a Antaranga yoga. You are relaxing consciously all your internal organs. Slowly move on to your different parts of your body, whichever I mentioned, and try to give instant relaxation to those body parts without any bodily movement. And try to visualize those parts and try to chant mentally. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your kneecap. Relax your thighs. Relax your buttock muscles. Relax your hip joint. Relax your genitals. Relax your pelvic. Give a complete relaxation to your lower part of your body. Enjoy the relaxation. Vishranti. To energize your lower part, we'll chant one round of Akara breathing. Enjoy the beautiful resonance of Akara in your lower part of your body and observe the vibration of Akara in your lower part. Slowly switch your awareness to your middle part of your body. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your spine. Relax your backbone. Relax your spinal vertebral column. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Relax your forearms, armpit, elbows, wrist, palm, fingers. Relax your chest muscles. Relax your diaphragm. Relax your abdominal muscles. Give a complete relaxation to your middle part of your body. Enjoy the relaxation. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your middle part. To energize your middle part, we'll chant one round of Okara. Breathe in. Enjoy the beautiful resonance of Okara in the middle part of your body and observe the vibration of Okara in your middle part. Slowly move your awareness to your upper part of your body. Relax your throat. Relax your neck. Relax your chin, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of your mouth. Relax your cheeks, ears, eyes, both the nostrils. Relax your eyebrows, eyebrow center. Relax your forehead, right temple, left temple. A gentle and a beautiful smile on your face. Relax your head region. Relax your back of your head. Remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. Remove all the worries from your mind. Keep your mind completely calm and quiet. Enjoy the relaxation. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation of your upper part. To energize your upper part, we'll chant one round of Makara without opening your mouth. Breathe in. Enjoy the beautiful resonance of Makara and observe the vibration of Makara in your upper part of your body. To energize your whole body, we'll chant one round of Omkara. Breathe in. Enjoy the beautiful resonance of Omkara and observe the vibration of Omkara all over your body. Your mind is so calm, enjoying the blissful relaxation. Slowly bring back your conscious awareness. Become aware of your surrounding. Become aware of the noise around you. Become aware of your physical body. Gently move your toes. Move your fingers. Bow your neck. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Fold your left leg. Rise your right hand back. Slowly turn to your right hand side. Keep your left hand in front of your chest. Fold both the legs. Enjoy the relaxation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Slowly take support with your left hand. Come to any comfortable meditative posture. Do not open your eyes. Sit comfortably. Back, neck and spine in one straight line. Next practice and last practice, we'll move on to Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Nasagra Mudra or Vishnu Mudra. Keep your index on your eyebrow center. 1:2 for advanced practitioners. For beginners, 1:1. If you are inhaling 5 seconds or 4 seconds, the same exhalation also, same 4 or 5 seconds. For advanced practitioners, 1:2. Inhale 5, exhale 10. Start the practice. No sound, effortless breathing, normal and natural breathing. Don't tense your muscles. Don't hunch your back. Don't bend your neck. And try to count your breath mentally. And observe where you stand. Last week, where were you? And this week, where are you? So you need to have a count of your breath. Just don't do it for the sake of doing it. You need to progress, right? So better you have a count of your breath mentally. And don't have to strain your lungs for stretching it for too long. It depends on person to person. If you are at 2 seconds, still good. You can still progress by starting. Basic is always better. Stick to the basic one. Foundation is always should be strong. Point of concentration, eyebrow center. Continue, don't stop. Have your routine. Stopwatch for 2 minutes. Relaxing, stop the practice. Observe your both the nadis. Observe your whole body from head to toe. Enjoy the blissful relaxation. We'll wind up the session with 3 Omkaras followed by Shanti Mantra. Breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Rub your palm. Keep it on your chest, stomach, backbone, buttocks, legs, shoulders, hands. Rub it again. Keep it on your eyes. Rub it all over your face, ears, neck. And gently open your eyes and observe your breath.